we invested in the full acquisition of the tool and equipment manufacturing company Emmebi in order to enhance both production capacity and strategic positionings within our holding. The relationship with Emmebi represents a significant advantage, allowing us to maintain know-how within the group. The technical office and CAM programs for the manufacturing of dies and tools. Here, 2 5-axis machining centers with a centralized and automated warehouse allow for the expeditious completion of equipment. The machines can also work unmanned, thanks to the possibility of loading many pieces of equipment and a warehouse of about 700 available tools. There's also a plant that performs 5-axis turning and milling operations on parts of considerable size and weight, which allows us to avoid reliance on third-party companies. All equipment we produce is our property, but created ad hoc for the exclusive use of the individual customer.